Working with the now, as in working with, I want this now. Can we make it happen? Sure. What can we do now? Like, what can we do now? Can we do it now? Sure. Let's do it now. Working with now is, and finding people that work with now and lining up with now people is powerful. It is, it can actually be like alignment to and realignment, because if you do it again and again and again, it becomes a series of moments where it is embraced, the moment is embraced. What I will say is that it's also very, very aligned to choose to be postponing people. You can also postpone people, but it's all about the deliberateness and like how direct the contact is. So if everything is happening in the now and you are in a circumstance where people are around you and it has nothing to do with you, you don't respond to their now. You're in your own now. And with the people, if you sit there with or stand there or play around with somebody who's in front of you that are there with you, it's your now. It's the now that is in that relationship. That's the now that you play into and that you play along with. And other people in the same room might have a different now and a different play buddy, you know? So separating those two, and actually in that moment you're postponing a lot of people's now, while at the same time as you are embracing your own now, and that other person that you're with is playing into your now. So embracing now is part of the life flow.